Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll do facial by using the products of Arabian Beauty. So let's start with the cleansing milk. Massage it for 1 minute and then remove. Now remove it. Now I'll do scrubbing. Massage it for 3 minutes. Now wash. I washed my face. Now I will apply this Arabian Beauty Whitening Ubtan. Now I'll apply vitamin C face serum with hyaluronic acid. Tap it. Let's see. And when you wake up in the morning, wash your face with the Arabian Beauty black soap, bamboo charcoal, and it's enriched with charcoal extracts, and it reduces acne with that pore size, and it's for all skin types, and it's very good. I'll show it to you. See, it's very good.